Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GMT. Recently, GMT has been rejected by this resistance of $4.15 and moved back to the next support of $3.80. And in today's video, we will take a look whether GMT is going to start the next move to the upside from here or not, or we are going to break down the next support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you that we have several rejections here at $4.15. You can see previously we were rejected here on 28th of April. Then again, we had another rejection on 28th of April, and recently in the previous hour we are again rejected by this resistance of $4.15, and this is our next support that we need to keep an eye on it, and that is at $3.80 right now. It is moving at $3.82, even though we have a long spike up to $3.72, but you can see it is recovered back and it is breaking so far as a nice support. Previously it was breaking as a resistance here, as a support here, as a support here. And if we take a look at the next support, that is at $3.55, that was breaking as a support here, as a support here, as a support here as well, and as a resistance here, and as a resistance here as well. And after that, our next support will be here at $3.44, that was breaking as a support here, and before that was breaking as a resistance here, here, and here back on 23rd of April. And here it was breaking as a resistance when we had this very big rally, and we were rejected. We had some accumulation here, we had another rally, and we again rejected by this very strong support of a resistance of $3.80, and finally we reached here at the final resistance of $4.15. But right now we are moving at this support, and during this also, especially after this drop, price line also formed a down channel as well. Here we had the resistance of the down channel, and this was the support of the newly formed down channel. Even it was more likely to be a falling wedge than down channel, and we can see recently we have broken out the resistance. The target for the falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge, that was approximately here at $4.15 there, where we have this rejection line or resistance line, and you can see already we have touched this support. But once we will have one more closing on the 4-hourly candlestick above this support of $3.80 there, then there will be a very high probability that we will make another attempt to break out the next resistance of $4.15. And it is also possible that we can buy it here or sell it here, because after hitting the resistance, there can be a possibility that the price line may have another rejection, or if we will break it out, then we can expect the next spell or a next rally from here. So next few hours are very important. We are testing the support. If we will break it down, then more likely to be we can test the next support at $3.55. However, I'm expecting that we are if we will have a closing above this resistance, this support of $3.80, I'm expecting that we are going to make another attempt to break out the next resistance of $4.15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.